So, as part of yesterday's class, we discussed about how to declare variables, how to declare arrays. So the variable can hold the only difference between the variable and as per Unix shell scripting. So as per variable, we can store a single value, and when it comes with array, we can able to store multiple values. How do we create the array? Just variable name array name is equals to in brackets, in parentheses, we can call it in parentheses, keep that variable name, keep the variable name with space is the delimiter, space is the delimiter. So this is the way to declare a variable, and we can also use the declare hyphen a. And once you declare that, so once you declare that, then we can also access the value of we can able to access values inside the array by using their positions. How do we how do we extract that? By using variable name in brackets that position, brackets that position, but variable name should be in variable name should be in flower brackets, because we are going to keep because we are going to keep extra square brackets, right? So in this case, so the entire variable name should be enclosed with flower brackets. You know the meaning of dollar. Dollar is used to access the value of variable. Star minus one means reverse. That way we can able to access, and we can also count by using at the rate. By using the at the rate, we can able to count it. So these are all the different things we have discussed on last class. And today's class we are going to discuss about few more we will continue that. So before continuing that, let's log into the Linux server. cd vartem. So last class, we started learning about the position.sh as well. Positions.sh as well. So what is the meaning of? We discussed about the how to declare a variable, how to declare array, how to access the value of variable, how to how to override the value of variable, and even if you use the unset command, even variable also even array also will become as a empty, and we know how to access one by one. So this kind of operations we learned it, and we have also created few shell programs. We'll also create few shell programs by using this variable array as well. And we already learned about the read command. So now with the help of read command, what we can do, we can able to access the value of variable after executing the program. So as part of read command, we have a hyphen s option silent, where if you want to pass a password and all, we can use hyphen s option. And along, for example, so you mean, so you want to take the input from the user. So enter the username and enter the password. So while entering the password, you want to make it as a silent mode. You want to make it as a silent mode. Then we can go with we can go with hyphen s option. Let me write a small program. So a dot sh. So I bin by bash. So read hyphen p hyphen s. So we do have that read command, right? So with help of read, we can able to specify. So if you use hyphen s option, what it does means, whatever the input you are typing on, note, whatever the input you are typing, that input will not that input, it won't show it on screen. That is the intent of hyphen s silent mode. Silent mode, we can able to so go with that. For example, echo, yeah, same thing. This is the variable test.sh, and first.sh. Let's take this guy cat first.sh, and test.sh. Yeah, this is fine. So you are clear, right? So what is that? Read command under. Then we started learning about positional parameters also. So the alternative name of positional parameters is CLA, command line arguments. What do you mean by command line arguments? The arguments which we are passing along with the script execution. Along with the script execution, that we can call it as command line arguments or positional parameters. The name itself positional parameters. So how can we access the positional parameters? By using $1 by using its position $1 to $9. By default, we can able to access 9 positional parameters at a time. So 9 positional parameters at a time. So if you want to access, okay, if you want to access, okay, more than that, so we can't able to access it. We can't able to so access it. So that we have already so okay tested okay last class dot forward slash position dot okay sh. If you don't pass anything, so obviously we'll get okay 0 0 only. So if you are going to okay pass if C D E F. So like this, okay, you can pass a number of things. So if you go with okay, I mean as I said earlier, so if you go with okay dollar okay zero, so dollar zero will provide you the script name. So what is the okay, script name? Dot forward slash position dot sh is okay script name. Then we are going to access the entire input by using the dollar star. So if you take this one, the entire okay input is we are trying to access, and even we can also use dollar at the rate. So dollar at the rate also we can able to okay use it. And what is the first parameter? So first argument A, ninth argument is G, okay, tenth element is, so you don't get okay tenth element because by default we can able to access 9. So here A0, so we are going to get it as a so A0, whereas 20th element, so what is the second element here? B0. Total element we have passed is 22, but we are not able to access that many. So in order to avoid that, we are having a command called shift. So what is the intent of okay shift? A shift is a command. So with the help of okay shift command, we can able to okay shift the positional parameters from one positions to another position. By default position is one, right? So if you want to change that okay after ninth position, so if you want to okay if you want to okay, change the position from okay ninth to okay, the remaining arguments, then okay we can go ahead and okay use this. Then okay we can go ahead and okay use this okay, okay shift command. So for example now, so what we'll do is just okay okay shift okay 9. So the intent of the okay, shift 9 is after okay 9 parameters. So after 9 parameters, okay, then the 10th parameter will become as a first parameter. The 10th parameter will become as a okay first parameter. Then after that, so okay after that okay 10 11 12 13. So okay now the 10th parameter will become as a 1, again 1 to 9. So if you are passing it as okay now, go ahead and okay use this okay now, so run the same command. So echo behavior okay after using okay shift command, after using okay shift command. So again just use echo, now enter. Just okay just go ahead and okay, run okay this program again one more time. So now if you go ahead and run this command, so earlier, okay, here, so until here, the entire input. So before, okay, shift. So before shift, so okay, even dollar star, dollar hash, okay, extracted, okay, shown everything. Here too. So okay, okay, entire input it's shown. So okay, while passing, the total number of position parameters are 22. So after using the shift command, so what is that? Okay, okay, G. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these 9 parameters it ignores now. Whenever you use the shift command we can use numeric number 1 to 9. If you use the 1, second parameter, okay, it ignores the first parameter, and second parameter again it will consider as a okay first parameter. So by default we are going to access 9, right? That's why we always use the shift 9, because up to 9 we can able to access by default. Then okay if you are going to use the shift 5, again the sixth parameter will become as a again the sixth parameter will become as okay first parameter. So to avoid that we always use the shift 9. So what is the shift 9 does? So with the help of okay shift 9 we are going to okay, shift the positional parameters from one positions to another position, one position to so okay another position. So now here, so after that now G, until this okay it ignores now. So okay as once you use the shift command, so the number whatever you have specified there, okay, then it okay it ignores that. Okay, then okay it ignores that. Now it will consider this is my first parameter. Now H is the first parameter, so first is H, and okay the ninth element is 1. and okay, 10th element is, so okay, h followed by 0, right? Similarly I followed 0 something, because again it will accept only 9 position parameters. Now I will show you that, okay, one more okay, I mean one more way. Now I will use that, okay, shift okay, shift okay, 6. Let's use that, okay, shift okay, 5. Now use that, okay, shift 5. Then again, okay, run, okay, all these, okay, now again run all these commands. Now okay, here, so for testing purpose, so okay, we'll use this, okay, echo. Okay, here also, okay, we'll try to use the, so echo here. So this is for just for our understanding purpose. I am writing, okay, all these, okay, things. Now observe it. So very first time, what are the total number of position parameters? 22. Because $has always give the total number of position parameters that pass to the script. So after that, we have shifted, right? So 22 minus 9, obviously 13. And okay, now the, okay, now here, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these A to G, it ignores, it consider 9 as a first parameter, 9 as a, okay, first parameter. So that's why we are able to see here. So okay, now h is a, I mean, so it will ignore this. Now 10th is that, okay, it is ignored all the parameters. Now h, so first is h, ninth element is, okay, 1, and the 10th element is, okay, since we are not okay, we are not exporting, obviously it will show the h0, i0, and what are the total number of position parameters? 13. Now, so what I have done, I have only shifted, okay, 6 only. I have only shifted, okay, 6. So in this case, what did I consider? Now it ignores this 9, but from here, right? 1 2 3 4 5. So okay, 1 2 3, okay, 4 5. So it ignored this 1 2 3 4 5. I think, okay, we use 5 only. So it ignored, okay, these guys, okay, these, and again it considered this as a first element. So that's why 13 minus okay, 5. So okay, we are getting it as a 8. Okay, 8. So this way the positional okay, the shift parameter so works. The with help of, okay, shift parameter, what we can do is, we can able to shift the positional parameter, a position, basically a position, from one location to another location, from one location to, so another location. That, okay, we can call it as, that, okay, we can call it as, that is the intent of, okay, shift command. That is the, okay, intent of, okay, shift command. So any doubts on, okay, here? So okay, go ahead and ask me. So shift is also, okay, very simple and, okay, straightforward. So with help of, okay, shift command, okay, we can able to do this kind of, okay, operations. Now go ahead and ask your doubts. So this is about the, okay, shift command. Okay, not only with this one, even, okay, shift command we can also use, okay, for example, so okay, you are writing a shell script. So you are writing some shell script. So okay, first we are going to write our program by using bash program. Okay, by using the bash shell. So as part of bash shell, we have declared some variable. Assume that we have declared country is equals to India. So country is equals to, so India. Okay, we have declared. So okay, okay, country is equals to India. Okay, we have declared. Okay, then you are going to change it to okay, some other, okay, script, con shell. So okay, how do we change it to con shell? KSH, we are switched to con shell. After switching to the con shell, still you want to use those, okay, country variable inside, okay, inside okay, inside the other shell. Then we can also go with, okay, shift command. Then we can also go with the, okay, shift command. That is also one more advantages of, okay, shift command. So for example, so let's try to use that, okay, shift dot, okay, sh. So I'm going to use, okay, hash not bin by, okay, bash country. So country is equals to India. I'm just going to define country is equal to India, echo dollar country. So echo dollar, okay, country. So okay, since Unix is a case sensitive, we have to pass as it is. Now I am going to change my program to, okay, I am going to change my program to, so KSH. Now I'm going to use this, okay, echo dollar, okay, country, echo dollar country, and okay, exit. So okay, exit. Let's see how it going to be work. So if you go with, okay, sh, okay, shift dot sh, so you can able to see that. So India, so there we are not able to okay, there we are not able to okay, make use of it, there we are not able to so make use of it. So again, if you press the exit, then okay, we'll come back to okay here. So these are the okay, I mean this way, if you want to okay, switch it from one position to another okay, well, another, then also okay, we go with okay, shift command. So I hope it's okay, clear for okay, everyone. Any doubts? Okay. Now, what we'll do is, so we know how to how to create a sample shell programs okay, by using by using these variables, and okay, by using with okay, this okay, shift keyword and position parameters. You are clear about what is a position parameters, what is an array, okay, what is an okay, variable. So these three are the very important okay, while writing a programs. While writing these programs, okay, these are okay, you should be aware of it, how to declare the variables, how to declare the okay, arrays, and okay, how to okay, do the okay, further okay, operations okay, as well. So we can also okay, write okay, basic shell programs. We can also okay, write a basic shell programs, like for example okay, if you want to create okay, mathematical calculations of 2 and jar, so we can also okay, go with that. For example, so you want to okay, you want to create a shell script, so okay, va okay, math dot okay, sh, for example okay, math dot sh. So but with the help of these variables and with the help of okay, this okay, arrays, we can declare the way okay, we can create a program, and we can store okay, we can store the intermediate output, we can store the user defined output okay, user okay, given input, and we can also return the output by using the variables. Whereas if you want to okay, if you want to okay, execute a program, so if you want to execute a program on a conditional basis, if you want to execute a program on conditional basis, for example, the best example is, so okay, if you are entering correct username and password, then only you need to log into okay, your okay, gmail account. So whenever you are trying to okay, apply an exam, for example, Government of India announced some government exams. So they will keep some okay, they will keep some okay, eligibility criteria. So if your pass out is okay, 2020 okay, 5, then only okay, only for the 2025 pass out students are only eligible to apply this okay, exam. And okay, then the branch is also should be either okay, CSE or okay, okay, ESC or okay, IT. Okay, or for example, so there could be some okay, few okay, private organizations okay, okay, even their private organizations also okay, announced okay, few exams. Okay, I mean for example, they are going to conduct off campus or on campus, they will keep some conditions, they will keep some conditions. So if you want to, so if you want to okay, apply such kind of conditions, and okay, you want to run your program, then if you go with any programming language okay, any programming language, we are only having a option called okay, if. So we are only having an option called okay, if. So we are only having options called okay, if. So I mean without of okay, if, so what we can do, so for example, now I want to create a shell program. So okay, I want to okay, create a okay, shell program okay, to find out the, to find out okay, to find out okay, to find out okay, to find out the okay, to find out the okay, average okay, marks of okay, students, average okay, marks of okay, student, or percentage okay, percentage. For example, total 6 subjects, and okay, you want to okay, okay, you want to do the operations. So in this case okay, how can we go with that? So for example, let's go with okay, notepad okay, plus plus, so it will be okay, very helpful for us, because we already know this one. So okay, let's okay remove this guy. So control A, control C. So okay, how do we okay? For example, okay, my requirement is I want to okay pass. So I want to okay I want to take okay input as okay my requirement is I want to okay identify the okay average okay or percentage of okay student, percentage of okay marks of a given student. So in this case, so okay I mean okay here yes name. So yes name is equals to $1. And okay for example okay t1, so okay subject 1 is equals to okay $1, and okay subject 2 is equals to, instead of that okay we can also keep it on single line, so that okay I mean your program also looks okay very okay simple. Okay then okay $2, okay then okay semicolon. So s2 is equals to okay s2 is equals to okay $3. So s2 is equals to $3, and okay s3 is equals to okay $4. S3 is equals to okay $4, and okay s4 is equals to okay okay 5, and okay s5 is equals to okay okay 6, and okay s6 is equals to okay okay 7. So what is the okay I mean, so our intention is we want to create the I mean we want to identify the average okay percentage of a student. So okay in out of 600, so okay what is the total number of scores okay he got, and what is the percentage we are just trying to display. But okay I mean after writing this program, so I mean we will try to enhance our program okay level by level, so level by okay level. Now how do we identify the okay, average of okay how do we sum the total number of marks? We can just use the okay, sum is equals to, we can go with either bc command, or okay we can also go with okay either we can also go with, so okay either we can also go with okay directly. So okay directly with okay by using this dollar symbol also we can able to okay achieve it, we can able to so okay achieve it. So okay here, so now go ahead and use this. So okay I mean okay okay dollar s1, we can directly okay use okay dollar okay s1 okay plus. So okay here dollar s1 okay dollar okay s2, so okay then okay dollar s3, okay then okay dollar okay s4, okay then okay dollar okay s5, okay dollar okay s6, dollar okay s6, dollar okay s6. So this is how we can able to identify the okay sum. Then okay, how do we identify the okay okay how do we identify the percentage? So okay, how do we identify the percentage of okay okay how do we identify the percentage? Come on, this you need to tell, right? So how do we identify? So okay I mean so okay I mean okay how do we identify the okay, percentage? So there is a option, so we need to be, so okay that okay I mean marks, total marks, okay we got the okay, total marks, some are instead of segments we can mention as okay total okay marks, total underscore okay marks, we got the total marks. Now from the total marks, so then okay we need to identify the percentage. How do we identify the percentage? So okay, how do we identify the percentage?
Percentage is equal to total marks divided by 6 into 100.
Okay percentage. So okay, percentage is equals to, then okay we'll go with okay same formula. Again we'll go with a okay same formula. So okay in this way, so okay dollar total marks, okay dollar total marks, dollar total marks divided by okay divided by okay how many okay, okay how do we write it? Tell me. So the okay, okay total marks then divided
6,
by,
6, 6, 6
if we go with okay 6, do we get correct percentage?
into 100, sir, into 100. Whole into 100.
Okay, let's see this. Score into 100, right? So echo. echo, okay, dollar. So okay, here echo, okay, dollar percentage, echo dollar, okay, percentage. So now we'll okay copy paste okay, this entire program on okay here. So va okay va student dot okay sh. So okay, we'll also mention okay echo dollar total marks and okay percentage, dollar marks and total percentage. Now okay sh student dot okay sh. If you don't pass anything, so you will get okay exception, you will get some okay exception. So if you are passing this, for example, now I want to pass some okay input, for example 99, 90, so 90, 88, so okay 100 and okay 100. So in this case also we are getting some okay we are getting some okay exception, we are getting some so okay exception. So let me try to okay correct it. So okay here, so okay here okay dollar s1. So let's see. So there are two ways to okay, perform the operation, there are two ways to perform the so okay, operations. So what is the mistake on okay here? So dollar s1, okay, dollar 2, dollar 3, dollar 4, dollar 5, dollar 6, dollar 7, 2, 3,
Sir,
4, 5, 6.
sir, probably in percentage after 6 we have to close some bracket. Yes.
Yeah, we'll do that. So dollar okay s1, dollar s2, dollar s3, s4, s5, s6. Let's try to. So okay, since we are having a problem, so what we can do, we can always comment it. So we can always comment and line by line also we can able to okay execute, and we can take the okay help of okay everywhere. So 88 command not found s6. So okay, let's do one thing. So okay, s1 is equals to okay 10, s2 is equals to 20, total is equals to dollar of dollar okay s1. So we'll try to okay, apply the same formula there also. Okay, dollar okay s2. So we are not getting this output, right? So let's use the two brackets now. Echo dollar okay total. So we are getting 30. So we'll try to apply the okay same formula. I think we applied the same formula here also. So okay dollar okay s1, okay s2, okay then plus okay dollar s3, okay then plus okay dollar okay s4, okay plus dollar, okay then plus dollar okay s5 plus okay dollar okay s6, dollar okay s6 and okay echo dollar okay total, echo dollar okay total. So this way we are going to okay this way we are trying to so perform the total marks. So this operation we already discussed, so as part of okay mathematical calculation, as part of mathematical calculations, okay we have okay discussed it. So okay s name is equals to dollar 1. So okay okay s1 s2 s3 s4 s5 s1. Okay, s1 is the first one, 2 3 4. Okay, here because Unix is very okay strict with this ones. Okay, now let's go ahead and run okay this program. Why are you still getting the same exception? So okay, this is one, one, two. So two, three, four, five, six, seven. So okay, now if you want to identify what is the problem, let's use okay sh-vx student dot okay sh also. This way also we can able to so get it right. So s name s1 s2 s3 s6. So total is equals to dollar s1 plus okay, dollar okay, S2 plus dollar S3, okay, S4, S5 and okay, S6. Error broken is plus. What is the mistake in here? Same we are using. $2 plus, okay, $3 plus, $4 plus, $5 plus, $6 plus, okay, $7. So it's not necessary that okay, we should always okay, assign to okay some variables. So directly also we can able to okay use it. So $1,
Hello.
$2.
Can we remove S4 and S6 spaces?
No, I know.
No,
Hello.
no, I got it. So here we are okay having a space.
Yeah, we need to remove that space.
Now let's okay yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This way also we will try, and that way also we will okay try. So 567 we are getting it, but okay, still we are getting okay some issue with okay S6. What is the problem with okay S6 here? So here again okay space is a okay problem. Space is a problem. So this way we'll come to know that what are all the mistakes okay we are okay doing. So what are all the mistakes? So okay, Unix is a very, I mean, for example, if you go with other programming language, it clearly tells us that there is a space issue, some other issues, okay, it will clearly show us, right? But here, so we cannot. So we need to be identify where the issue by using that okay debug. So again, okay, try to do the echo dollar okay total, echo dollar okay total. Now go ahead and run this okay program. So we are getting 567 and 567. So now we want to calculate the percentage, right? So we want to calculate the percentage, remove the percentage. So okay again, so okay here dollar total marks.
Into
So
100.
dollar total marks, okay by 6 into okay 100, then okay calculate the okay percentage. Now run this okay program. So again there is a okay problem. So what is the problem okay here? So it's not okay identifying. So again runs sh-vx. So sh-vx student.sh. So why I'm okay telling this much time, this many times is you will come to know that. So student at line number 3. So okay, s3 plus. So what is that okay exception okay we are getting okay here. So total is equals to, so okay vi. So echo dollar total percentage. For example, okay, if you don't use this percentage, so okay, if you don't use this percentage, so you don't get any okay exceptions. You don't get any okay exception. So okay, you will get okay again. So S1, S2, S3. So okay, here okay, $2, $3. Same thing we used it right yesterday. So 567, 567. Okay, we are getting it. So now we want to I want to calculate the percentage. I want to calculate the okay percentage. So how do we calculate the okay, percentage now? Just okay use this guy again okay dollar
No, error in
total
total.
marks.
Hello.
So yeah, hello. Now when you go with okay dollar symbol, I mean okay with this parenthesis. So we should keep okay more okay attention. Otherwise okay it won't okay work. So now okay we do have a total marks okay echo dollar total marks I guess. So okay cat student dot okay sh. So what is the okay total okay echo dollar total. So can we able to access the value of variable now? I mean we are getting it as a local variable. Now okay total okay is equals to, so okay total okay is equals to, let's okay assign the 561. Now we'll try to do the same operations on command line itself. Okay then okay average or okay echo. So echo okay then okay we can okay try to use it as okay echo, then okay dollar okay 56 okay then dollar okay okay dollar total, okay dollar total divided by okay 6, divided by okay 6. Let's see what kind of output okay we'll get it. So we're getting it as a 94. So total how much percentage okay he got? Okay, 94, right? So now again into okay 100. So okay, this okay into is not needed for us. I mean, this way also we can able to okay search. Okay, this way also we can able to okay, identify. So total how much is the percentage? Okay, 6, right? So this way we can able to okay do that. So this way. So now so okay vi this okay file name and okay add. Okay, just okay remove this.
Anna, in total we have given wrong argument. Anna. S1 is a character, right? I mean, it's a
Variable total and
S1
total
is string, right?
marks.
Yeah, yeah. So okay, echo dollar total. So okay, we are trying to okay access it and percentage. So this is
Hello.
a kind of a okay, plain program what we are trying to okay write. So what we are trying to so okay achieve. Whereas so I mean if you go
Hello.
with this one okay we'll get okay some okay values.
Star should be removed.
Hello.
Yeah,
After
hello.
6 star.
Yeah, yeah.
Anna, I'm audible, no? Hello.
Yeah, I'm able to hear. Tell me. So we
In
got as
total,
a no total 94.
we have given dollar S1, right? Dollar of S1. Dollar of S1 is a character, right?
See, dollar
Is
$S1
it
is also character. So what I'm trying to do here is these are two
good?
ways. We can able to access the okay, positional parameters directly by using the positions, or we can able to assign to a variable, and from that variable also we can able to okay access it. So two ways okay, okay I mean directly we can use $2, $3, $4, $5, $6. I mean this way also we can directly do the operations. But
Hmm.
okay, first line, very first line, what I'm trying to achieve, the second parameter I'm trying to achieve to S1. Third parameter is subject 2. Fourth parameter is okay subject 3. Fifth parameter is okay subject 5. Sixth parameter like that okay I'm trying to assign and I'm trying to okay access.
Okay,
Both
no.
okay ways works out.
And also percentage formula is wrong, Anna. Total by 600 into 100, Anna.
Huh?
Total into 100 by 600, Anna, formula. Total marks by 600 into 100 formula.
Okay. So if you
Uh,
go with okay, I mean whichever the formula. So okay, you know we're getting. I mean again we need to do that okay 100. That's fine. So this way we can able to write a small scale programs. Now the same program we can also okay, achieve it okay by using BC command also. Okay, BC command also we can able to okay achieve it. So BC is also another way to create the program. So there are different ways to create a okay program. So now when it comes with okay BC, so when it comes with okay BC percentage, I mean whatever okay, I mean the other way is so okay the let's write okay the other way is for example if this is incorrect. So okay let's go with okay this guy. Now okay O. So again okay P is equals to so okay P is equals to okay dollar of. So we can also okay use okay echo okay scale is equals to okay 2. So okay the scale means like how many number of okay scales okay you want okay use it and okay dollar total by 6 okay by 6 okay colon pipe okay BC also okay we can okay use it pipe BC also we can able to okay use it. So this is the another way to calculate the percentage. So either we can go with okay either previous I mean whichever the formula okay you know it. So okay we can okay SCALE okay scale. So okay okay scale is equals to 2 then okay, okay dollar total by 5 okay 6 BC and echo okay percentage and echo and okay dollar okay P. So dollar okay P. So this way also so okay go ahead and run this program. So we'll get it as 94.50. So if you want to get the scale also we can use this one. So the formula is whatever you have written is okay correct. So now so these kind of programs are okay fine. Assume that okay there are lots of mistakes on okay this program. So for example assume if I am passing only okay 4 parameters my program has to fail because okay the student is not appearing for that okay I mean so I mean my input is okay only okay okay parameter okay only 5 parameters. So I have to exit my program. Or if that okay first parameter is not a name I want to exit my okay I want to exit my program. Or for example if any of the okay marks are okay less than okay 35 I want to exit my program. So which means that there are lots of test cases we want to add it. So if you want to write a clear cut program, so in order to satisfy all those programs, for example, first one is, so ensure, so we are passing, so ensure, we are passing 7 parameters, 7 parameters. And after that, ensure we are passing, 7 parameters. So else, terminate a program, else terminate program. And second one is, so ensure first property, ensure, first variable is, ensure, first variable is, name of the student, name of the student. So how do we validate? We can able to, so validate it. For example, there is a some other ways. And third way is, so the rest, the rest of, the rest of, six CLAs, should be number, should be number. What is that? What could be the number? Should be number between 0 to 100, between 0 to 100. It should not be negative and it should not be positive. If you are passing it as a negative, so negative value should not be allowed, allowed. And fourth parameter is, so you want to include that, if any of, if any of, if any of, CLAs, if marks are, less than 35 on any subject, so it should display, it should display as, fail. So if you want to add these many conditions, so straightforward, with help of this program, so with help of this program, can we able to achieve it? So whatever the program we have created, so with help of that program, can we able to achieve it? No, we can't able to, so achieve it. We can't able to, so achieve it. So in this case, what you need to do? You need to learn about a conditions. We need to learn about a conditions. So if you go with any programming language everywhere, so we are having a two types of conditional statements. One is if, and other one is case. If and case. These are the two positional parameters which are having on Unix. Not only Unix, others also. What is the meaning of if? The name itself, if is a conditional statements. If is a conditional statements. So if the condition is true, it allows us to execute some set of statements. If condition is true, we can able to execute some set of statements. For example, here, so condition, so condition, then statements, and student with fi. So as part of statements, it should be anything like all these programs, anything whatever we learn as of now. If you want to keep inside that, so all this will become as a statements, or logic of program, program. So we can write, we can able to specify. So by default, what we can do is, with the help of if the condition is true, we can able to execute some set of statements. That could be n number of statements. And even if condition also allows, if the condition is not correct and you want to run some set of even though condition is incorrect, if you want to run some set of statements, we can also use some else statements and fi. For example, if you are while connecting to that while connecting to that your HDF, your online banking, if you are entering, if you are not entering the username, it has to say that enter a valid username. That is a else statement. So if, since you are not entering the valid username, you are going to show it as a enter a valid username. That is a else statement. Or for example, you have entered an incorrect password, it will say that, so incorrect password is going to execute from else statement only, and which means that, so not only for that, for example, even the same conditions, whatever the conditions are written here, if you are not passing 7 parameters, I have to say that boss enter the 7 parameters. This should be some example. And if the first, for the first property is the first one, the first variable is not a name, it's not starting with the name, we have to say that okay, this is okay, I mean this is the value of the variables to start with the okay character. So like this, okay, if you want to okay, if you want to execute, then so we can go with okay else statement. So with help of else statement, what we can do is, so when the condition is incorrect, so if you want to display that, if you want to display such kind some kind of information on a screen, or you want to run some kind of you want to run some kind of okay statements, then we go with the okay else statement, then we go with the okay else statement. Now if the same if condition, for example, now so my condition is the same here, assume that I have passed okay 7 parameters. Now so then I have to, so now 7 parameters is my first condition is true. Now I want to execute the second condition inside that. So even we can also keep, so okay, we can also okay keep if condition, so okay if condition okay then okay statements, so okay it should be a capital letter, not small, it should be small letters. So okay then statements, so okay if condition, so okay, again okay if condition, okay then okay statements again okay fi, so which means that, so this is a okay if you okay if you see clearly this one, so I'm going to follow some indentation. So okay here, okay here okay f5, so here, so f5, so here is the okay f5. So if we are able to see that, so okay the line number 29, so it is going to enable okay hyphen, and okay it's going to okay end here, but line number 26 is going to end on okay 35. So for example, okay if you want to add okay one more if condition inside this, so one more okay if condition okay inside this, okay we can also okay add it. So if condition, so if condition, okay then okay statements and okay f5, this also we can able to okay write it. So this way a if condition can also contains multiple if conditions, multiple okay if conditions, that we can call it as a nested if, that we can call it as a okay nested if. So okay this is a kind of a okay nested if. So the below example is kind of okay nested if. So there are no limitations, there are no okay limitations, there are no limitations on okay nested if condition. A if condition can also contains other. So in this case how it will execute, first it will evaluate this one. So once you enter a valid username, then it is going to validate the password. If the password is okay incorrect, we can also add some else statement here stating that enter a valid password. If the password is correct, then okay then fetch the details, connect to the database and fetch the details and display it on a screen. So that kind of things we can able to so achieve it by using this okay if condition, by using this okay if condition statements and okay else statements and okay f5. So in this case first this statement, so for example if this statement itself is okay fail, so all this will never execute, directly will come to the else statement, it will fail. For example okay here, so okay now here I'm going to okay add okay some okay else, okay here okay statements. So okay in this case what will happen, so if this is true, then it will validate this condition. If this is true, then it will go with okay this condition. If not, it will store the okay else statements okay here itself. So okay this is kind of the okay, nested if. What is the meaning of nested if? A if condition contains a another if condition, that we can call it as a nested if condition. When do we okay when that nested if condition executes, if the parent, so once the parent if condition executes, then only it will come to the nested okay if condition, and then only it comes to the nested okay if condition. Whereas along with okay this okay along with okay this okay here okay f5 again okay one more time okay f5, so that okay will come out, so it will come out from okay here. So it's going to be okay in here, so it will okay clearly okay show us. Whereas so okay whereas there is another possibility. So I mean by default if condition allows us to execute execute a set of statements when condition is true, that is the default okay statement. So even though if the condition is incorrect, if you want to show some kind of okay results on a screen, then okay else statement, I mean if the condition is incorrect, you want to run some statement, else statement. Where so whereas if you go with okay nested okay if condition, so okay if you want to evaluate a sequence of conditions one by one. For example, in order to apply in order to apply exam which is announced by government of India, your qualification should be BTech or degree, any degree. So assume that we'll go with now BTech. So in a BTech, then passed out should be 2025. So if the BTech, then check the year. If the year is okay, then check the percentage. If the percentage is okay, check for the age. If the age is less than this, so if you want to add these many conditions one by one, and you want to run that, then we can go with this nested if condition, if condition, if condition. Whereas, so if you want to evaluate multiple conditions at a time, so multiple conditions at a time, then we can go with else if conditions. So but the best example is percentage of student. You want to display that if you greater than 90 percentage, you have to say that this guy got a distinction. So greater than 70 to less than 90, first class, then second class, third class, then fail. You want to display such kind of conditions, then we can go ahead and use this nested if condition. Nested if conditions, how it will be? So that is a else if statements. For example, condition, if condition, then statements. Then we can also go with else if. So else if. So else if. So condition, again condition, then statements. Then statements. Again el if. So it is el if. So el if condition, then statements. Statements like this. If you want to evaluate multiple conditions, then else if, which means what it does, it will check with this condition. If this condition is incorrect, it will check this condition. If this is incorrect, it will check this condition. If all this incorrect, they will come to the else part. Then statements. Then statements. Statements, then F5. This way, this is a else if condition. This is the else if conditions. Else and if condition, which means that it evaluates multiple conditions, multiple conditions, and it runs that it executes the statements, and it executes the statements whichever whichever is true. That is the intent of else if condition. So EL if we call it as. So what is the meaning of this one? First it will check this condition. If this is incorrect, it will check this condition. If this is incorrect, it will check this condition. Like that it will check. So one by one. Like that it will check the one by one. That is the meaning of else if statements. With help of else if statements, so we can able to evaluate and run multiple we can able to evaluate multiple conditions at a time. Whichever the condition is true, then we can able to display. For example, so a very simple example, if you want to identify, so you want to identify out of 5 numbers, which number is bigger. So since we are humans, we know that like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the bigger number 5. One is a smaller number. Where if you want to achieve it through programmatically, we have to go with this else if condition. Then you have to go with this else if condition. So else if condition is also very very important. And what scenarios it will be important? When you want to evaluate multiple conditions and you want to display display the results that can be achieved by using this else if conditions. So why we have written that first program to understand? So without of if condition, so your program is not when you are writing, not only here, when you are learning any programming language or anything, first we need to understand the very basics. So once you understand the basics, if you assume that you want to learn C programming language, C also same thing. First write a small programs. What is a basic structure? Learn the basic structure. After that create after that learn how to declare a variables. In C it will be having a different. Then after that create some programs. and also declare the declare indexes, or declare the arrays. If there are any different types of variables, try to learn all of them. Then write a small programs. Then come to that conditional statements. What are the options? Then iterative control statements. Then functions. Then after that function, I mean there are many things. So once we had having so many things. Okay, once we are having the many things. Okay, many things. So these are the these are the different ways we are going to be learn. So even in our way also, first we learn what is a shell script, advantages, disadvantages, a small scale script, I mean skeleton, how to execute, how to debug, then how to compile. Then after that we learn how to declare the variables, where norms of variables, then declaring a variable. Then we reach to the then we reach to this stage. So what we are going to learn now, we are going to learn how to execute some set of statements when the condition is true. So when the condition is true, if you want to run some set of statements, that we are going to achieve it by using this by using this if condition. So basically when it comes with if condition, so as part of if condition, we are having a lot many options. We are having a lot many of options. We are having a lot many of options. So I mean as part of if conditions, we are having a file test. We are having a file test. Along with file test, we are having a string test. So along with string test, even how to use the how to use the logical operators, how to use the logical operators. So along with this logical operators, file test, string test, and numeric test also. Numeric test also. File test, string test. So numeric test. So these are all we're having a different options. Numeric test. So here control X. So string test and file test. Along with file test, so we're also having logical operators. This and all we need to be learn. So as part of numeric test, so we need to learn about what is the GE and greater than. So I mean so this would be a GT and greater than, and GE, or we can also use so greater than or is equals to GE. Similarly, we are also having a all options. Tomorrow, we'll go to tomorrow. I mean, we'll try to discuss. When to use this character kind of conversation. When to use this one. This we'll try to discuss. This will try to discuss. So I hope it's clear for everyone. So what we do is, so what we do is we'll try to learn. So the further things on tomorrow. We'll continue this on file test. I mean if is the kind of we need to learn too much of things. So tomorrow we'll try to learn. Tomorrow we'll try to learn. Okay.